Hi, my name is Mallory, and today I'm going to talk to you about what it means for a speech-language pathologist to be an everyday advocate. So first, it's important to understand what an advocate is. So an advocate is a person who supports and promotes the interests of others. So speech-language pathologists can be advocates by educating communities about the field of speech-language pathology, fighting for the eligibility rights of individuals for services, and by protecting the rights of professionals and those they serve. So if an SLP is an effective advocate, they should be educating communities about the prevalence of communication disorders. They should be informing the public about what a speech-language pathologist can do for those they serve, and they should be implementing communication strategies that can be beneficial for the client, their families, and other community members. So for many individuals, it's very difficult to prove that their needs are so troubling that they need the services of a professional. So clinicians must be willing to advocate for individuals to ensure they receive the services they need. So speech-language pathologists can use their knowledge, resources, and compassionate spirit to fight for those whose voices are not being heard. Speech-language pathologists can protect their own rights by simply staying informed. So they can do so by electing government officials who support the field of speech-language pathology. Speech-language pathologists can also be advocates for the needs of the clients that they serve for things like hearing detection and interventions for children, access to educational services, and adult access to telehealth services. So as a whole, advocates must stay educated and be willing to voice opinions that may not be the most popular, but are what is best for the field, the client, and the rights of professionals. To have a large impact on the lives of their clients, speech-language pathologists must share the responsibility of advocacy. And because this field is created around the patients and their needs, speech-language pathologists must commit to the collaboration with other professionals, clients, and families in larger organizations to improve the lives of all parties involved. So thank you so much.